Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify product images using theme asset recovery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Shopify product images using theme asset recovery, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on themes to view your installed themes. Locate the theme you are currently using. Click on the Actions button next to your theme. Select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, look for the Assets folder on the left side. Click on the Assets folder to open it. Inside, search for the files with the extension .jpg, .png, or .gif. Identify the images you want to restore. If you notice any missing images, check the Sections folder next. Browse through the section files to find references to the missing images. Make a note of their file names for replacement. Now, go back to the Assets folder. If you have backups of your original images, locate them on your computer. Upload the restored images by clicking the Add a New Asset link. Select the images from your computer and upload them to the Assets folder. After uploading, go back to the section files to ensure the correct image paths are set. Replace any broken image links with the new image paths you just uploaded. Once you have restored all necessary images, click on Save to apply your changes. To preview the results, navigate back to your online store. Check the product pages to confirm that the images are now displaying correctly. If necessary, make additional adjustments in the theme code until you're satisfied. Once everything looks good, you have successfully restored your Shopify product images using theme asset recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.